Hey, this is just gonna be a test of the smoke detector, so it's not gonna be nothing special. I got a lot to finish yet, so it'll probably take me today and tomorrow, but, yeah, I have a few troubles yet to fix, but let me get my smoke checked, and there we go. Alarm silent and reset and tone silence, all the troubles, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna try to test this smoke detector eventually, but just been busy getting the new panel set up. So let's kill the battery power real quick. So the batteries are working, so it's all good. But once I get the key from him, it'll be a lot easier. So these are gonna be connected soon. So stupid troubles keep coming in like whipped cream on an ice cream sundae. So, but I'll show you this to you one more time. Taking the smoke check. What I like about this panel is that it like right when the thing goes into it doesn't have like the 3-second delay like the 4001 has. It just goes right into the alarm. So it's really nice panel. I'm gonna, once I get all my signals hooked up, I'm gonna demonstrate the fire drill mode. So it'll be a lot. It's gonna be a while because I'm gonna be hooking this up. As you can see, I don't have it up yet. It's beeping because it has troubles. Like, I know it has troubles, but you know, it's a fire panel. And then this one, I'm gonna get my Spectre alert, hopefully, or however you pronounce it. People don't yell at me. And then that new smoke detector will be up there. Nothing much will change. So I'll put if you guys have requests what pole stations you want me to use, I have this one, Edwards, the dual Siemens or Cerber Patronics, the BG12. Man, I have a whole bunch to test. So, I am planning to use horns, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So, but now since I got everything rolling, it'll be a little bit more longer until I get everything rolling. So, but if you have any questions, just leave a message and I'll reply later.